everyone. I just finished my this painting, and as you can see, the frame I made it with the cardboard, and I'm thinking to either leave it like this because it's looking beautiful as well, something different. And on other side, I was thinking to color it after applying some clay or something over the cardboard, and then to do some flowering with the molds of the clay and something like this, then to make it golden. But I just want to enjoy it a little bit without those things as well. So if you enjoyed it, if you like this painting and frame, do let me know. Either I should leave it like this or I should make it a proper frame like market ones. And I'm totally loving it. I will see you in the next video. I just wanted to make a small video like this just to show this thing, and the painting needs some detailing as well, but I just wanted to enjoy it, to put it in the frame. And then I will see what's left in this to do some more details in the grass and those things. So for now, bye, and I will see you in the next video.